What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get and create a Spotify artist account. Firstly, make sure you have a personal Spotify account and have your Spotify artist URL ready from the distributor like DistroKid. Go to the Get Access to Shopify for Artists page. Click the box that says Artist or Manager to identify yourself. Press Continue, then confirm which personal Spotify account you want to link to your artist page. Paste or type the Spotify URL, then DistroKid's instant access may not work before you release Ghost file. Just click Skip instant access to verify directly through Spotify. Now enter the email address and check your inbox for a verification code. Enter it and fill in your personal information, then optionally connect a social media account or add artist website. Once submitted, Spotify will review your claim and you'll receive an email within 3 days confirming that your Spotify artist account request has been received. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.